All right, folks, so today we're going to take a look at Affiliate Cash Club. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my channel, hit the notification bell as well to be notified of any new videos I have coming out. I make videos about making money online as such. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. There's a link in the video description below for that as well. That includes 2 free websites, a free membership. You don't even need a credit card to sign up. You get free training, and it's a lot of information, a huge community of like-minded people, and people there to help you out as well, including myself. So anyways, let's take a look at this. Wow. Almost $5,000 every single day, under 5 minutes and 14 clicks. Total nonsense, folks. Total nonsense. Obviously, they have a video here. It's about a 20-minute sales video, and all this crap here is fake, folks. This is just a, whatever. It's nonsense. For personal reasons, the creator writes under the pen name Jordan Matthews. That's a red flag. As if you need any more of the outrageous claims. Of course, there's this video here. It's about 20 minutes long. You can scam through it. They just make all these outrageous claims and you don't have to do any work. It's to make all this money for you. It's making system has been turning ordinary people into millionaires. Yeah, right. But the real kicker, let's see what else it says. $35,000 in a single month. Of course. Just one of my accounts. These things can be fake too, so I'm not even going to go into that. But you got the testimonials here. There's that girl. I have one guy. This guy right here. He's on Fiverr. You could hire him to make testimonial videos for you. And there he is. I'm sure these other people are on Fiverr as well. I didn't go looking for him. I just recognized this guy from other videos, so I just pulled him up real quick. So yeah, that's totally fake. So I'm supposed to trust these people, this company, and give them my $37, which, by the way, there's upsells and stuff on the other side. To be honest, I don't even know what the product is. I mean, I'm assuming it's affiliate marketing, affiliate cash club, where you promote other people's products and stuff like that. But they just make all these outrageous, stupid claims, and they use the fake actors in here, fake testimonials. And I've seen a million products like this. Obviously not a million, but hundreds of products like this before, where they just make all these claims that you don't have to do anything. You just a few clicks, and then they show you these screenshots of whatever, and then they hire the actors on Instagram or on from Fiverr, and they make all these promises, and it's just nonsense. And they use fake names. There's no person in this video showing you who they are. It's always some story like that. Anyways, folks, the truth of the matter is it's just not legit. It's that simple. If you want to learn how to make money online, you actually got to do work, and there's work involved, and there's learning, and there's strategies, and there's different strategies, and there's different ways to do it. Like I said, check out my #1 recommendation and a link in the video description below. There you're going to get 100% free training. You don't even need to put the $37 or whatever. There's upsells, of course, not upsells, but there is a premium account where you can get additional training and things like that. But you can start off with the free training, no credit card needed. You get 2 free websites to build your own sites. They're very easy to build, folks. Nothing to install, WordPress and things like that. And then you have all the support and everything else you need there. So check that out, folks. This I would stay away from. Have a good night. Talk to you soon.